Okay, starting with our Excel Expert working file at Sales tab, let's select A18 to B23 and go to the name box and call this bonus underscore table, and then press enter. And then let's select E5 and click the paste function button and select lookup and reference under function category, and then scroll down to the very bottom and select VLOOKUP and say OK. And let's select or type in B5 in the first box, and then tab and type in bonus underscore table as the table array, and then we'll tab to the column index number and type 2 and then click OK. And then we want to add divide by 1000 to the end of the formula, and then we'll use the fill handle to copy across to column G, and then let's copy down that whole section down to row 11. Okay, now let's select A20 and B20, right click on those cells and select insert, and say OK, or shift cells down, and type 500,000 in A20 and 1500 in B20, and then notice the change in cells F5 and F7. Now let's click on K5 and type the formula equals E5 plus H5 and enter, and then let's copy that down through M11. I clicked the copy button, selected the areas, the cells that I wanted in, and then let's click paste. It's a different way of doing it. Now let's select B5 to D11 and click in the name box, and let's type sales and press enter. Now click on B5 and go to the format menu and select conditional formatting. Click on the second arrow in the second box from the left and select less than or equal to, and click the third box and type equals average brackets sales close brackets by 0.5. In other words, if it's equal to or greater than half of the average of everything. When we selected the format button and selected italic, and let's select a red color and say OK and OK. Now let's select the sales area itself, go to format, auto format, and we see the same format is selected there. Let's click OK to apply that to everything, and we'll see that some cells are colored already. Okay, let's select the sales area again and go back into conditional formatting, and let's click the add button to add a second conditional format, and this will be greater than or equals to, and again we'll type equals average brackets sales, and this time by 1.5, 1.5 times the average. And then how we'll format that is as bold, and let's select a blue and say OK and OK, and let's click off of that to see the effect. Let's go to the prices tab and select A1 and go to the format menu and select auto format, and let's select the colorful 1 option, and let's clear the width height option and say OK. Now select C11 and go to the format menu and select cells, and on the numbers tab we'll select accounting. Let's go to the font and select Times New Roman. It's down the bottom somewhere. There we go. And italic. And OK. Let's go to the format menu again and click Style and type in My Style in the style name box. Clear the borders checkbox. There we go. And OK. And let's go to the bonus tab, the bonus sheet, and select E5 to G11. Let's go to the format menu, style, and let's click the down arrow for the style name, and we'll select My Style and say OK. And now let's resize those columns and double click on the join between the headers there. Now let's select K5 to M11 and go to the format menu, cells, number tab, and let's select fraction and as tenths and OK. And again, let's resize the column so we can actually see what's happened. Hey, we've got it in tenths. Okay, let's select B5 to D11 and go to the format menu and cells, and let's select scientific, and let's just say OK. And again, let's see the effect. Now we'll select A18 to A24 and go to the format menu, cells, custom, and let's replace the text in the type box with, let's select the text and type the $sign, the hash or pound symbol or sharp symbol, comma, K, and type click OK. Look at that. Okay, let's select B5 to D11 and go format menu, conditional formatting, and the delete button, and we'll delete condition 1 and say OK and OK. And let's click the select all button. Clicking in that top left corner selects everything, and we go to the edit menu, clear, formats, and all our work is undone. And let's save it.